Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock IDFC First Bank. This company has good financials. This is basically a good bank with superb management. The staff protection is also very good in this bank. Now let us analyze the stock on technical basis. This is the monthly chart of IDFC First Bank. In this monthly chart, look at the opening, listing and the movement. The stock is on downtrend till May 4th, which means till the corona hit. Once the strong buyers involved here, look at the volume here. The buyers started accumulating the stock here on June month. The stock made a fantastic rally from that June month. So now currently the stock gave a signal to go long. Now let us analyze the stock. The stock is currently traded just above the major support level, which is a resistance previously, but it was taken down by this bullish candle on February, and the stock couldn't sustain at that level and fell back to lower levels. But look at the pin bar here. The pin bar at the most important level shows the power of bulls. The bulls are very strong in the stock, and look at the pin bar, it's almost 5 times the body of the candle, so it's good to go long in this stock. Now let us analyze the stock on weekly basis. In weekly chart, again it shows a good pin bar here at the support level. At the support level, look at the candles here. The size of the candles are keep on decreasing here. At a stage after the formation of a large pin bar, formed a small doji like pattern. It's not a complete doji, but look at the psychology behind this candle. The sellers are quite weak. Look at the candle here. The candle's selling part is very low, and the opening of the chart is also quite confusing, but somehow the stock sustained and moved up in the next week, and after once again hitting the resistance level, it took a small retracement here, and now it once again started moving up. So this is good stock to go long, and the stock can be taken for investment purposes also, because the company deserves more valuation. And now let me show the trading idea. The stock actually broke a small head and shoulder pattern. So I expect the target of the dip of the head. This is the inverse head and shoulder pattern. Usually the inverse head and shoulder patterns target will be the size of the dip formed by the head. So this inverse head and shoulder pattern suggests a target of 68 from the current market price. Look at the price also obeys very neatly the price. After beating the resistance, it became support right now, and it took a retracement here. Look at the pin bar at the support level, so it's good to go long in such stock. Take entry above 60 range, and target is at 68 range. This is the first target for the stock. This is very easily achievable target, so one can go long in this stock. And further targets can be determined using 21 moving average WEMA level. Ride the trend until the stock breaks the WEMA level. So currently entry is at 60 and exit, that means the target is at 68 range. And if you like the video, hit like button, subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately. And feel free to comment below your queries and suggestions.